Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your go-to channel for discovering top-rated products that everyone is raving about. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we dive into an exciting countdown of the best-selling interior products on Amazon. These products have been meticulously selected based on their popularity, customer reviews, and exceptional features. Whether you're looking to refresh your living space, add a touch of elegance, or find practical solutions for your home, we've got you covered. Without further ado, let's get started. Here are the best-selling interior products on Amazon. Number 5 on our list is the Camco TST Max Camper RV Toilet Treatment Singles. This isn't just any ordinary treatment, it's a powerhouse of RV odor elimination, packing a punch with its ultra-concentrated biodegradable formula. Imagine this. One bottle, a mere 4 ounces, treats up to a 40-gallon tank. That's efficiency at its finest. Let's talk about what sets this product apart. The reactive odor eliminating technology is nothing short of revolutionary. For up to 7 days, you can say goodbye to those nasty black tank odors that haunt many an RV adventure. It's more than just a deodorizer, it's a game changer. The formulation, absolutely top-notch. TST Max isn't just about masking smells, it's about breaking down waste and toilet paper, ensuring smooth waste digestion and optimal sensor performance. That means fewer clogs and a more pleasant camping experience, whether you're in an RV, a boat, or even using a portable camping toilet. Versatility is the name of the game here. Whether you're a full-time RVer, an occasional camper, a boondocker, or someone who enjoys life on the water, this product is a must-have in your arsenal. It's not just a product, it's peace of mind, knowing that your sanitation needs are handled with superior performance. And let's not forget the scent, a refreshing orange fragrance that lasts, turning your RV trips into a citrus-scented getaway. Each pack comes with 8 bottles, ensuring you're well-stocked for multiple trips. Proudly made in the USA, Camco's TST RV toilet chemicals are trusted by RVers and boaters alike. It's time to upgrade your camping experience with a product that truly delivers on its promises. The Camco TST Max, where innovation meets reliability. Securing the number 4 spot on our countdown of the best-selling interior products on Amazon is the 2.4-gallon collapsible dish basin with drain plug. This isn't just a sink, it's a marvel of space-saving design and versatility, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Let's dive into what makes this product a must-have. Equipped with a plug and drainer, this collapsible sink is your go-to for washing dishes, rinsing food, and even serving as an ice bucket or beverage tub. Imagine the convenience it brings to your camping, hiking, picnicking, or tailgating adventures. It's all about making life easier, no matter where you are. Now let's talk about space saving. This smartly designed dish tub can be folded down to a mere fraction of its original height. From a robust 12 by 12 by 7.9 inches, it collapses down to just 2.7 inches. This means it takes up minimal space when not in use, keeping your surroundings organized and clutter-free. It's genius, really. The versatility of this product is astounding. Whether you need a foldable washing basket, a dish tub for your RV, or a beverage tub, this basin has got you covered. With a 9-liter capacity, it's perfect for all your washing and storage needs. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to fold and carry, making it an indispensable part of your camping gear. Designed with your convenience in mind, the double carry handles make it easy to lift and transport, whether you're carrying dishes or hanging the tub on a hook. This thoughtful design ensures that your collapsible sink is as functional as it is practical. Quality is paramount, and this collapsible wash basin doesn't disappoint. Made from food-grade PP and TPR material, it's BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. Sturdy and durable, it won't crack or split, promising you a long-lasting, reliable product. So, elevate your kitchen and camping experiences with the 2.4-gallon collapsible dish basin. It's more than just a sink, it's a testament to smart design and multifunctional utility. Embrace the convenience, embrace the innovation. Taking the 3rd spot in our top 5 countdown of best-selling interior products on Amazon is the unique RV Digest, It Plus Extra Strength Black Tank Treatment. This isn't your average tank treatment, it's a powerhouse, designed to tackle even the toughest waste and odors in your RV. Let's delve into what makes RV Digest It Plus a standout. Imagine a product that doesn't just mask odors but eliminates them entirely. This extra strength formula breaks down waste and all brands of toilet paper swiftly and effectively, preventing those dreaded pyramid plugs. Dumping your tank becomes a breeze, a hassle-free experience every time. But the magic doesn't stop there. This is our strongest complete RV tank treatment, significantly more potent than the classic version. It obliterates clog-causing waste and banishes porta-potty and sewer odors from your tank. your RV stays fresh and odor-free no matter how long your journey. Maintaining sensor probes in your black water tank is crucial, and RV Digest It Plus excels here. It stops sensor probes from misreading by liquefying waste before it can build up and cling to them. It also digests grease, oil, and food debris in your grey tanks, ensuring optimal performance throughout your RV's plumbing system. Designed to work with the unique method, this treatment ensures clog and odor-free camping, no matter your style. Whether you're hooked up at a campsite, dry camping in the wilderness, or living full-time in your RV Digest It Plus adapts to your needs. It even withstands extreme heat, keeping your tanks clean and fresh in any climate. What makes RV Digest It Plus truly unique? It's family-owned, formulated, and manufactured in Arvada, Colorado. It's safe for both campgrounds and home septic systems, and it's California compliant. Recommended by RV technicians and carried by thousands of retailers across the country, it's a trusted solution for RV enthusiasts everywhere. So, elevate your RV experience with the power and reliability of unique RV Digest It Plus. It's more than just a tank treatment, it's peace of mind for every adventure. Say goodbye to odors and clogs, and hello to a cleaner, fresher RV lifestyle. Securing the number 2 spot in our top 5 best-selling interior products on Amazon is the Walex Porta-Pak RV Marine Black Holding Tank Deodorizer Drop-Ins. This product isn't just effective, it's transformative, making every RV and boating adventure fresher and cleaner. Let's break it down. The Porta-Pak RV Marine Holding Tank Deodorizer is your ultimate solution for waste management. It tackles waste and stubborn RV toilet paper, breaking them down efficiently. No more clogs, no more backups. Your holding tank sensors will work like a charm, ensuring smooth and hassle-free travels. But that's not all. This holding tank deodorizer goes beyond just breaking down waste. It annihilates unpleasant odors. Imagine camping, boating, or RVing without worrying about embarrassing smells. These powerful tabs keep your environment fresh, so you can enjoy every moment of your adventure. Versatility is key with the Porta-Pak. It's designed for all tanks, from a compact 2.5 gallons to a hefty 40 gallons. Whether you're RVing, boating, boondocking, or using a portable camping cassette toilet, this deodorizer adapts perfectly. It's the ideal companion for every journey, providing unmatched convenience and effectiveness. Ease of use is another highlight. The fresh 10-pack of marine and RV drop-ins dissolves immediately upon contact with water. Just drop one in and let it do its magic. No messy spills, no fuss. Plus, the non-staining color ensures your tank stays clean without any unwanted residue. Walex, a name synonymous with quality, has been a global leader in odor control and sanitation products since 1987. Proudly made in the USA, these deodorizer drop-ins reflect decades of expertise and commitment to excellence. So, elevate your RV and boating experience with Walex Porta-Pak RV Marine Black Holding Tank Deodorizer Drop-Ins. It's more than a product, it's a promise of freshness, convenience, and superior waste management. Say goodbye to odors and clogs, and hello to carefree adventures. Finally, taking the top spot in our countdown of the best-selling interior products on Amazon is the Camco TST Max Camper RV Toilet Treatment Drop-Ins. This product is an absolute game-changer for anyone seeking a fresh and hassle-free RV experience. Imagine this: you're out on the open road, enjoying the freedom of RV life without a single worry about unpleasant odors. The TST Max drop-ins boast reactive odor-eliminating technology that keeps those pesky black tank odors at bay for up to 7 days. Just one drop-in treats camper toilets with up to a 40-gallon tank, making it incredibly efficient and easy to use. Let's talk about the formulation. This isn't just any tank treatment, it's superior in every way. The advanced chemistry ensures unmatched performance, safe for septic systems, and delivering exceptional results every time. It breaks down waste and toilet paper effectively, preventing clogs and making sure your sensor performance is optimal. Versatility is the name of the game with TST Max. Whether you're boating, full-time camping, boondocking, or using a portable camping toilet, this treatment adapts to your needs. It's the ultimate RV accessory, designed to enhance your camping experience by keeping things clean and fresh. Quality is paramount, and Camco delivers. Proudly made in the USA, these toilet chemicals are trusted by RVers and boaters nationwide. Each bucket contains 30 drop-ins, ensuring you're well prepared for multiple trips. And let's not forget the scent. A refreshing, long-lasting citrus fragrance accompanies every use, turning your RV into a pleasant haven, free from the worry of septic tank odors. So, elevate your RV lifestyle with the Camco TST Max Camper RV Toilet Treatment Drop-Ins. It's more than just a product, it's a revolution in RV sanitation. Enjoy the road ahead with confidence, knowing you have the best in odor control and waste management right at your fingertips.
Sehr Uru. Das sehr.